medyo blanco, then recovered agad.
Tense eh. Tense yung start namin. Ang ganda sana nung start namin ng first set. Sobrang taas ng energy namin. But yun nga, we can sustain it. And yung Bali Pure, consistent na yung ano nila, yung laro nila. So, yun. Kaya nakuha nila yung first set. Good thing na nakapawin na sa second set.
Second to fourth set, ano yung naging key para po sa pagbawi?
Composure. Every single time out yun ang pinapaalala ko sa mga players. We need to stay composed and focus sa game na yun.
So yung 3 straight points kanina coach ng Bali Pure sa fourth set, hindi na kayo natakot po?
Hindi ako natakot na matatalo kami, but more so na baka makahabol sila, yun siya yung momentum hindi namin na-break. So, tawag ako ng timeout and yun nga, pinaalala ko dun sa kanila na I know na excited sila matapos kagad yung laro, but we still need to finish the job that we started.
Coach, after all, kasi championship experience yung nanay sa inyo dahil mukhang second court, talagang in-control kayo. What can you say about it?
Yun nga, sabi ko naman sa kanila na yun ang lamang natin sa Bali Pure. Skills, magkakapareho lang tayo ng skills kasi nag-training din naman sila. But more on yung championship experience namin na magdadala sa amin over the hump. So, it's a good thing na nag-rally yung mga bata.
It's been amazing. Like I said, I decided to come here because the goal was to win a championship. I know this team was the defending champions, and when I got here, seeing all the part that the team had to will, just being a part of that, it's been amazing. To make it this far for any team, you have to have great chemistry, and just coming in the way they welcomed me in, I was able to become a part of that, and so it was great to see they already had good chemistry and that I can easily mix into that. Like I said, the goal was to win a championship, and so that's where some of the frustrations kind of came from with not being able to play. Just knowing that I really wanted to win a championship, and so being able to play and win a championship with the team, it was great. It was all worth it.